Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Wizard of Geology. Today we will discuss our video lecture 5. So without delay, let's start our first question. The body of trilobites is divided into how many parts? 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. The right option is option B, that is 3 parts. What are those 3 parts? Those are cephalon, thorax and pygidium. Okay, pygidium. This part is called as cephalon. Okay, and this middle part is called as thorax, and this last part is called pygidium. And what do you the cephalon word literally meaning is head. Okay, head. You might have counted this cephalon word in cephalopod. What does this mean in cephalopod? Head and foot. Trilobites belongs to the arthropod family. Okay. The interference colors with retardation less than 550 nanometer belongs to which order? Zero order, first order, second order, third order. The right option is option B, that is first order. Okay. This question comes from this Michael-Levy interference color chart. Okay. What does this image say? Here you see this x-axis indicates retardation values. Okay, and this this y-axis is thickness. Okay, and this diagonal lines, these lines are birefringence value. Retardation is calculated by thickness into birefringence. Okay, that is called as retardation. And how you find out birefringence value? Birefringence value is calculated by the difference of indices of the two rays. Okay, when a light ray is splitted into two rays, that is ordinary ray and extraordinary ray, those two rays indices difference is called as birefringence value. Okay, match the following. You have to say which mineral belongs to which crystal system. Okay, here alpha quartz belongs to trigonal crystal system, beta quartz hexagonal, tridymite orthorhombic, cristobalite tetragonal. Okay, these are polymorphs of SiO2. Okay, SiO2, and the right option is A2, A2, B1, C4, D3, that is option C. The basin and range topography is an effect of folding, faulting, jointing, or all of the above. The right option is option B, that is faulting. How basin and range topography are made? By faulting process, host and graben structure. Okay, by look here, these are called host and graben structure. Okay, these are host and these are graben. Okay, during course of time these elevated areas erode. Okay, this erosion occurs, so this becomes ranges. Okay, mountain ranges like that, and this becomes graben. Which of the following is a living fossil? Okay, Productus, Nucula, Arca, Lingula. The right option is option D, that is Lingula. Lingula is a living fossil. Productus, Nucula, Arca, these are extinct. Okay. Uh, Productus, Nucula, and Arca. These three, Productus, Nucula, and Arca, these three belongs to which phylum? Mollusca and class Bivalvia. Okay. These are Bivalvia classes. Okay. And Productus generally its time range is it is extinct, so its time range belongs to early Carboniferous to what? Late Permian. And Nucula time period is Ordovician to Neogene. Okay, Neogene. Arca time period is Jurassic to Neogene. Okay, Jurassic to Neogene. And as Lingula is living fossil, so it appeared during Cambrian period. Okay, Cambrian. It is still found. Okay, and what is the word Lingula literally means is small tongue. Small tongue. Okay, this shape is like small tongue. Okay, Lingula. And Lingula belongs to which phylum? Brachiopoda phylum. Okay. Which oil field is not found in the state of Assam? Moran oil field, Lakwa oil field, Rudrasagar oil field, Sanand oil field. The right option is option D, that is Sanand oil field. Moran oil field, Lakwa oil field and Rudrasagar oil field are found in Assam. Those belongs to Assam Arakan basin. Okay, Assam Arakan basin, and Sanand oil field is found in Cambay basin, which is in Gujarat. Okay. Which rock is volcanic equivalent of void-bearing mongesianite? Basalt, trachyte, phonolite, tephrite. The right option is option C, that is phonolite. Okay. And basalt is volcanic equivalent of gabbro. Similarly, trachyte is volcanic equivalent of syenite. And tephrite is volcanic equivalent of void-bearing monzodiorite. Okay, if it is given only diorite, then its answer will be, its volcanic equivalent will be andesite. Diorite, andesite. Okay, arrange the following ions in decreasing order of their residence time in the seawater. The ions are chlorine ion, chlorine minus, Mg2 plus, sodium plus, K plus. Okay, the right option is option B. Okay, that is chlorine, sodium, magnesium, potassium. And similarly, here comes sulfate, sulfate ion, then calcium, then carbonate ion. Okay, so thank you for watching our channel Wizard of Geology. Share with your friends, and I will upload its only answer sheet video in the Instagram channel. Okay, thank you.